So we're gonna take this final drive off, and then the brake shoes I think are right there. What an awkward looking piece. So we'll see if there's oil intrusion inside that the brake shoe housing.
Put it in this hook, sure.
Good?
Yeah. Well, I gotta get a wrench. Is it this ratchet?
Yeah, I think so. Can I bounce it or what?
Yes. Sure there's not something else?
Let's take that big pry bar, Paul, and see if you can pry it out on it. Nope. Nothing, eh?
Oh. Should I put the jack under it? Well, I would be doing the same thing. Oh. Oh, sweet. I'm just too lightweight.
I'll get back into the sheet. What does it need? Do we need to go up or in or? Not that. Try prying from this side. Oh, there you got something. Reverse?
It's divorced. Back up. I told you it'd be a stubby. That's the whole axle.
Yeah, this is glazed over. There's all kinds of lube in there. Is it leaking on this side?
Look at all the cheese down there.
Yeah. So some new
It's
seals.
sealed.
There goes all my hydraulic fluid. I should jack it up more to get more of a pitch on it.